guys, now let's test it with some cheese. Just put in the cheese. Wow, so yummy, guys. Assalamualaikum viewers. Today we are gonna make a new delicious recipe. It's called tomato pasta. So let's begin. And now we'll put 2 tablespoons of oil in there. As you guys can see, and now we'll put some garlic in there. And now we'll add our tomatoes in there. 1 teaspoon of oregano we'll add in there our tomatoes. Salt to taste salt. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon vinegar. Chili sauce to taste that we have added. Okay guys, as you can see, our tomato puree type is done. This is so yummy and it smells so good. And I'll put some sugar in there because I forgot to add that. We have boiled 2 cups of pasta and we'll add it in there. As you can see, our tomato pasta is ready. And now dish it out. First of all, we can add some butter because I love butter. Put some butter in there, as you can see. And now we'll dish it out. And now we'll add it in our bowl. As you can see, yummy bowl. We will garnish it with some yummy cheese. Yeah, boy. This looks so yummy. If you guys like this video, subscribe and leave a like. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video. For now, peace out.